The lecture hall buzzed with the low voice of students flipping through their textbook, pen sketching against papers. The professor's voice echoes through the room, explaining complex medical terms. Jimin, however, wasn't paying attention. His eyes were fixed on Yoongi, who sat a few rows ahead, calmly taking notes without sparing anyone a glance. Thong noticed Jimin's dazed expression and nudged him. Yeah, Jimin, pay attention. Jimin didn't even blink. His eyes were still locked on Yoongi. Thong sighed and leaned closer. Park Jimin, are you listening? No response came. Thong narrowed his eyes, then suddenly screamed, yeah, Park Jimin, focus. The entire lecture hall fell silent, heads turned, eyes wide. Jungkook looked up from his note, startled. Jungkook, what the hell? Professor. The professor slammed his book shut, clearing. Kim Taeyong, Park Jimin, what is going on there? Taeyong culprit, glancing at Jimin, who looked like he just snapped back to the reality, horrified. Taeyong, I was just trying to wake him up, sir. Professor, wake him up? He turned to Jimin. Where you lost Park Jimin? Jimin. He stood up. I was nowhere, sir. Nowhere. He shrugged. Which piece it is, Professor? Professor. Both of you stand in front of the class and hold your ears. Taeyong. What? But Professor, now. Cursing under their breath, Taeyong and Jimin walked and stood in the front, holding their ears in embarrassment. Jungkook. Jungkook snickers under his breath, shaking his head. Idiots. Taeyong. Did you just curse at me? Taeyong was watching Jungkook when his mouth shaped idiot word. He was about to rush towards Jungkook and choke him, but Jimin grabbed his hand. Jimin, stop it. Do you want to get more punishment? Jimin glared at him, scaring him with his eyes. Taeyong, don't tell me what to do. This is just because of you. Because you were lost and I was just trying to help you. But guess what? I was an idiot who got punished because of you, Park Jimin. Jimin, I was lost? Taeyong, yeah, idiot. You were in Yoongi. Jimin, yeah. Taeyong, why? Cat got your tongue, Park Jimin? Jimin, well, I'm sorry for that. This won't happen again. Taeyong, you have said that many times. Now I lost trust in you. Jimin, no, please trust me. I won't break your trust anymore. I'm sorry. Professor, you too. What are you guys? I gave you punishment. Still you guys are talking, disrespecting your professor. Taeyong, I'm sorry, sir. We are sorry, Professor. Taeyong was shutting his mouth. Meanwhile, Yoongi didn't even lift his head. Still, focused on his nose. Jimin glanced at Yoongi, cheeks burning. Jimin, Young, I blame you for this. Taeyong, oh shut up. This is your fault. Yoongi. Yoongi finally looked up, giving them a blank stare. Pathetic. Taeyong groaned, shifting uncomfortably as he continued holding his ears. Taeyong, this is so embarrassing. Jimin. Jimin glanced sideways at Yoongi, who was already back to his nose. At least Yoongi Young looked at us, even if it was just to call us pathetic. Taeyong shot him an annoying glare. Seriously, we are standing here like idiots and you are still thinking about him? Jimin pouted, lowering his voice. You don't get it, eh? He is just so focused, so cool. Taeyong rolled his eyes dramatically. Yeah, super cool. While we are getting roasted alive. Jungkook, still seated, leaned back in his chair, smirking as he watched them suffer. Jungkook. Serve you right for causing a scene. The professor cleared his throat, shooting Jungkook a glare. Professor, John Jungkook, do you have something to share with the class? Jungkook straightened up, his smirk fading. No, sir. Taeyong snickers. Karma. Professor Kim Taeyong, do you want to stand on your one leg? Taeyong immediately shut his mouth. No, sir. Yoongi finally sighed, putting his pen down and looked at Jimin and Taeyong with an expression of pure exhaustion. Yoongi, how do you even survive medical school with half a brain? Jimin face lit up. You were watching us? Yoongi, no, I was forced to watch you embarrass yourself. Tong. Tong groaned, putting his face in his shoulder. Please, just let this class end already. The professor continued the lecture, ignoring their muttering. Jungkook chuckled softly, eyes flickering between Yoongi and Jimin. Jungkook, Young, I think you have a fan. Yoongi. Yoongi didn't even flinch. I have no time for fans. I'm going to be a doctor, not a celebrity. Jimin. Jimin smiled shyly, still holding his ears. I don't mind waiting. Tong gasped at him. Seriously, Jimin? Yoongi. Yoongi sighed, muttering under his breath. Unbelievable. The class finally ended. The professor left the room, still muttering about immature students. Tong quickly dropped his hand from his ears and stationed. Tong. Finally. I thought my ears were going to fall off. Jimin. Jimin grinned, rubbing his own eyes. It wasn't that bad. Tong shot him a glare. Not that bad? We were humiliated in front of the whole class because you couldn't stop staring at Yoongi Young. Jimin pouted. I wasn't staring. I was observing. Tong groaned. Same thing. Genius. Jungkook strutted past them, smirking. You don't really know how to put a show on? Tong crossed his arms. Oh, shut up, Jungkook. Like you are any better? Jungkook raised an eyebrow. At least, I wasn't standing up there holding my ears. Jimin ignored them, stares at Yoongi, packed his things, moving toward the door. Young, wait. Yoongi stopped but didn't turn around. Yoongi, what now? Jimin hurried to catch him up. Do you want to grab coffee? We have been studying all day. It might help you relax. Yoongi glanced back, his face completely blank. Caffeine is bad for your health if consumed excessively. Jimin blinked. Oh, then maybe tea? Yoongi sighed. I don't have time for tea either. Jimin. You can't study all the time. Don't you ever take a break? Yoongi slung his bag over his shoulder. Break are for people who can afford to waste time. I'm not one of them. Jungkook snorted from behind. Young, you are going to burn out if you keep acting like a robot. Yoongi shot him a cold glare. And you should stop acting like a child. Maybe then the professor will take you seriously. Jungkook smiled back pretty slightly. If you ever want to relax, I'll be here. Yoongi didn't respond and simply walked away. Tong groaned, dragging Jimin back by his collar. Tong, come on, Romeo. Let's go before you embarrass yourself even more. Jimin pouted but didn't resist. I'll make him like me one day. Jungkook chuckled, walking beside them. Good luck with that. My brother barely likes me. Tong smirked. And I can see why. Jungkook glares. Careful, Tong. I might just make you hold your ears again. Tong scoffed. In your dreams, Yon. Jimin sighed dramatically. You two fight like an old married couple. Both Jungkook and Tong shouted in unison. Tong. What? Jimin giggles, skipping ahead. Just saying. Tong turned into Jungkook, flustered. Don't listen to him. Jungkook smirked. Oh, don't worry. I wasn't. They continued bickering as they walked down the hallway, their voice echoing through the empty corridor. Meanwhile, Yoongi buzzed at the corner, glancing back at Jimin, retreating back. Yoongi, persistent brat. But for the first time, a small, barely noticeable smirk tugging on the corner of his lips. The next day arrived with the usual buzz of students filling the medical campus. Tong and Jimin walked into the lecture hall, Jimin looking more confident than ever. Tong glancing at him suspiciously. Tong, what with the creepy smile on your face? Jimin smirked. I have decided today I'm gonna make Yoongi Young notice me. Tong groaned, pinching the bridge of his nose. Oh God, here we go again. Was the plan this time? Feet in front of him, so he can check your pulse. Jimin. Jimin gasped, I swear. Wait, that's actually a good idea. Taeyong. Taeyong smacked the back of Jimin's head. I was joking. Don't do that, idiot. Jungkook, who was sitting behind them, leaned forward with a smirk. Jungkook. I say let him do it. Might be the only way Yoongi Young will acknowledge him. Jimin. Jimin pouted, rubbing his head. You two are no help. Just then, Yoongi entered the room, eyes fixed on his nose. His presence made Jimin straighten up immediately. Jimin. Okay, act normal. Breathe, Jimin, breathe. Taeyong rolled his eyes. You look like you are about to give birth, not confess to your crush. Before Jimin could return, the professor entered and silenced the room. Professor, good morning everyone. Open your book, chapter 12. We will be discussing complex cardiac processes today. The student began flipping through their book. Jimin, however, couldn't stop glancing at Yoongi, who was calmly taking notes. Taeyong noticed it and sighed. Taeyong, focus, Jimin. You don't want another ear-holding punishment, do you? Jimin, I am focused, but Jimin's tiny eyes betrayed him again. Taeyong, oh, for the love of... Without thinking, Taeyong slammed his hand on the desk. Bang. The entire class, including the professor, turned to look at them. Professor, Kim Taeyong, what now? Taeyong froze. I dropped my pen. Jungkook snorted, purely holding back his laughter. Professor, do you need to help picking it up, or you can manage? Taeyong quickly shook his head. No, I can manage. Professor, good. Now, no more disturbance. As the professor continued, Taeyong glared at Jimin. Taeyong, see what you made me do. Jimin giggles quietly. At least now Yoongi noticed us. Taeyong groaned. Meanwhile, Yoongi didn't even glance at their way to observe it in his textbook. Later that day, class ended. Jimin decided to make his move. He spotted Yoongi bending in the library and rushed after him. Jimin, Young, wait up. Yoongi sighed, not bothering to stop. What is it this time? Jimin jogged to catch up. You are always studying alone. Don't you want company? Yoongi glanced at him briefly. No. Jimin offered. Come on, just once. I can be quiet too, you know. Yoongi buzzed, thinking for a moment. Fine, but if you make a single sound, I am leaving. Jimin's eyes slipped up. Deal. They both entered in the library. Settling onto the quiet corner, Jimin tried to focus harder on his book, sneaking glances at Yoongi every few minutes. Yoongi didn't say a word, completely engrossed in his nose. Meanwhile, across the room, Taeyong leaned against the bookshelf, watching them with narrowed eyes. Taeyong, how long before Jimin messed this up? Jungkook leaned beside him, smirking. 5 minutes. Taeyong, 10. Jungkook. He turned it to glance at Taeyong. Wanna beat? Taeyong smirked. If you are in. And so they watched the scene unfold, waiting for Jimin to mess up around, waiting who will lose the bet. Will Jimin finally win over Yoongi's attention, or will his antic lead to another disaster? Only time will tell. Taeyong glanced at Jungkook from the corner of his eyes, noticing the subtle smirk playing on his lips. Taeyong, you seem so awfully confident. Planting a cheat? Jungkook chuckled, leaning back casually. Please, I don't need to cheat. Jimin is a walking disaster. Taeyong scoffed, pushing his glasses up. And it, you are beating on it like it's entertainment? Jungkook leaned closer, his smirk deepening. Watching you get annoyed is entertainment enough? Taeyong's eyes narrowed. Careful, John. You are one smart remark away from losing. Before Jungkook could reply, a loud crash echoes from the lab. Both their eyes snapped toward the source of the noises. Jimin was standing beside the toplet stack of anatomy model. His face fell. The professor stormed over, clearing echoes at him. Professor, Park Jimin, this is the third time in this week. Jimin, I swear it wasn't me this time. Yoongi sitting nearby didn't even look up from his nose. Jungkook burst out laughing, nudging Taeyong. Jungkook, guess I win. That didn't even take 5 minutes. Dong. Dong Ronald running a hand tracer. Unbelievable. How does he manage this every time? Jungkook. He is talented. I will give him that. Dong. Dong shot Jungkook a glow. What do you want for a bit? Jungkook tapped his chin throughoutly. Jungkook. How about you carry my books for a week? Dong. Dong start Robert. Do I look like your assistant? Jungkook. Jungkook smirked. A bed is a bed, nerd. Better start working on that upper body strength. Dong. Hello, mister. I don't need a workout because my body is perfectly shaped just like a hourglass. Dong. Jungkook. Oh really? I can't believe because I never saw. Dong. And you will never get to see what is my boyfriend is. Jungkook. Boyfriend? Do you even have that? No, I don't. But I will be one day. When my Prince Charming will come to me and make me his boyfriend, he will love me the way no one did someone in this whole universe. Jungkook. Wow, those thoughts. Jungkook leaned on the wall, hands crossed, watching him. I don't think someone will like you, be yours. A dumb ass nerd boyfriend. Jungkook. Why did you say that? Ty slapped on his chest slightly, feeling like crying. You are wrong. One day you will see my Prince Charming. This nerd will have a boyfriend. That too, a very handsome one. Dong turned and left the room. Jungkook. Oh, is he mad? Should I go after him? Jungkook, leave it. It's not like you have to do anything with him. Just shrug it. Jungkook shrugged, but deep down he knows. He is hurt by hurting Dong. Pushing open the door quietly, inside he spotted Dong, tucked away in the corner, surrounded by books, headphone in and eyes red from earlier. Jungkook. Jungkook hesitated but eventually approached her. Hey nerd. Dong didn't look up. Okay, listen, about earlier, I was just messing around. Don't get so worked up over it. Dong slowly pulled out his headphones, staring at Jungkook with an unreadable expression. Dong, you think saying something like that is funny? That I will never find someone who... Wow, hilarious! Jungkook. Jungkook rubbed the back of his head, feeling unusually awkward. I didn't mean like that. Look, you are just so into your books and stuff. I figured you weren't into dating or whatever. Dong, right. Because nerd can't have a feeling, huh? Jungkook. That's not what I said. Dong. But that's what you mean. The tension between them hung thick in the air. Jungkook, for once, was at loss for words. Jungkook. Fine, I'm sorry, okay? Happy now? Dong. Dong glared at him for a moment before sighing. Whatever, just leave me alone. Jungkook. But Jungkook didn't leave. Hey, if you are so determined to prove me wrong, why don't you come to the campus party this weekend? Dong. Dong blinked surprise. Why would I do that? Jungkook. Jungkook smirked. Maybe you will find your Prince Charming there, or maybe I just want to see you try. Dong. Dong narrowed his eyes, but he was also curious. Fine, but don't expect me to stick around here. Jungkook. Jungkook chuckled. Wouldn't dream of it, not. Anyway, I wanted to ask you something. Jungkook scratches the back of his head. Dong arches his brows. I wanted to ask, could you teach me physiology? Dong, he burst out laughing. Don't tell me you failed in physiology test. Jungkook. Hey, stop laughing. Dong. Jungkook suddenly grabbed his wrist and pinned them on the wall, leaving Dong startled. Dong. What are you doing? Dong stuttered, eyes wide in shock because Jungkook is standing so much close to him that his heart is beating fast. Jungkook, don't laugh when I said I just failed in the test, not in exam. Jungkook awkwardly let his wrist go and walked little away, making distance between them. I'm sorry. He didn't match his eyes with Dong. Dong, it's okay, I will teach you. With that, he turns away, shyly smiling. Jungkook, what's wrong with him? Jungkook just stared at his retreating back. The next afternoon, Tiong sat quietly in the study room of the university hospital. Medical textbooks were sprawled out in front of him, pages filled with the highlighted notes and detailed diagrams of human art. Tiong glanced at the clock on the wall and sighed. Tiong, that dumb student is late again. Just as he was about to pack up and leave, Jungkook pushed the glass door open, wearing his white lab coat halfway over his shoulder, his stethoscope lazily hanging around his neck. Jungkook, yo, relax, nerd. I'm here now. Tong looked up, clearing, but the word caught in his throat for a moment. Jungkook's dark hair was styled messily, and his tie was loosened, giving him an effortlessly handsome look. Tong cleared his throat and looked back at his book. Get a grip, Tong. You are 30 minutes late. I should have known better then. I shouldn't have agreed to teach you. Jungkook's were dropping onto the chair across from Tong. Come on, don't be mad. You love spending time with me. Tong scoffed, refusing to meet Jungkook's eyes. In your dream. Now open your textbook. We are starting with the cardiovascular system. Jungkook leaned forward, resting his elbow on the table. Fine, Dr. Kim. Teach me. As Tong began explaining the flow of blood through the heart, he noticed that Jungkook watching him, not the textbook, but him. Tong faltered for a moment, his pain buzzing mid-ear. What? Why are you staring at me like that? Jungkook's lips curled into a smile. Knowing smile. You get this little crease between your brows when you explain things. It's kinda cute. Tong's eyes widened and his cheeks flushed a soft pink. What? Focus on the heart, not on the face. Jungkook chuckled, leaning back in the chair. Relax, I am just listening. The left vertical pump oxygenate blood to the body, right? Tong blinked in surprise. Yeah, that's correct. Jungkook smirked. See, I am paying attention. Maybe you are just a good teacher, Dr. Tong looking away, flipping the pages a little too quickly. Shut up and read the next chapter. The room grew quieter as they studied. The atmosphere softened than before. Occasionally, their hands would brush when reaching for the same pen or textbook, and each time, Tong would quickly pull his hand back, his eyes keeping a bit. At one point, Jungkook leaned closer to peek at Tong's note. Their shoulder barely touched. You handwriting messy for a perfectionist. Tong was shy but didn't move away, and you were seen not existing because you don't take notes. Jungkook chuckled, his voice lower now. The study lounge emptied. Student left, leaving only the two of them alone. Jungkook glanced at Tong, a soft expression replacing with usual smirk. Jungkook, you know, you are not as cold as you pretend to be. Tong's breath issued for a moment. And you are not as annoying as you seem. They both smiled for the first time. Instead, it was soft and careful. Maybe the study session was the start of something more. Tong was furiously scraping notes, trying to ignore the way Jungkook's presence slipped closer than before. But it was impossible to ignore Jungkook. The way Jungkook kept stealing glances at him. Hey Tong! Tong didn't look up, trying to focus on the diagram in front of him. Tong, what now? Jungkook leaned in, voice dropping silently. You have got ink on your cheek. Tong wasn't blinking. What? No, I don't. Before he could react, Jungkook reached out, his thumb brushing softly against Tong's cheek. The touch was brave, but it sent a spark of thought through Tong's chest. Jungkook smirked as he leaned back. Here, see? Jungkook showed him the ink on his finger. Tong froze, feeling his face heating up. Tong, you didn't have to do that. Jungkook, what? I was just helping. Tong quickly turned his attention back to the textbook. Ears burning. Why is my heart racing like this? The atmosphere felt heavier now. Change it with something Taeyong didn't want to know. Too scared to know. Jungkook leaned closer again. His voice softened this time. Jungkook, you know, for someone who acts cold, you blush pretty easily. Taeyong. Taeyong snapped his book shut, glaring at him. Do you want to fail this class? Because I am about to leave. Jungkook. Jungkook chuckled but raised his hand and surrendered. Okay, I will begin. They sat in silence again, but it wasn't uncomfortable. It was different. Jungkook actually started paying attention, occasionally asking questions, and Taeyong found himself softening as he received case studies. Jungkook's shoulder brushed against Taeyong's again, lingering a little longer this time. Neither of them moved away. Jungkook tapped his pen on the table absentmindedly. Jungkook, hey Taeyong. Taeyong glanced at him questioningly. What now? Jungkook. Jungkook hesitated for a moment and smirked. You wanna grab coffee after this? You know, to thank you for all this tutoring. Taeyong. Taeyong's eyes widened slightly, caught off guard. I don't know. Jungkook. Jungkook raised an eyebrow. Come on, it's just coffee. Unless you are scared, you will enjoy my company. Taeyong. Taeyong's face flushed again. Fine, but it's not because I want to. It's because I deserve a break. After dealing with you, it's too hard. You are such a dumb to understand a simple chapter. Jungkook. Jungkook laughed softly, standing up, grabbing his bag. Whatever you say, Dr. Kim, let's go. The small coffee shop near the university hospital buzzed with conversation and the soft clicking of cups. The warm scent of roasted coffee beans filled the air, blending with the soft hum of music playing in the background. Taeyong pushed the door open, stepping inside with Jungkook trailing behind him. Jungkook, finally, you will get some break from your nerdy mind. Taeyong rolled his eyes, adjusting the strap of his bag. You are lucky. I needed caffeine, otherwise I wouldn't have agreed to come with you. As they approached the counter, Taeyong scanned the menu. Jungkook smirked watching him. Jungkook, let me guess, something as sweet as you? Before Jungkook could finish his teasing remark, Taeyong took a step back and bumped into someone behind him. Taeyong, oh, I'm sorry. The man he bumped into chuckled softly. He was tall, with neatly styled hair and a warm smile. His white coat draped effortlessly over his shoulder. The name tag reading, Dr. Choi Minho. Minho, it's alright, no harm done. Taeyong blinked, froze. The man in front of him looked perfect. His kind eyes, confident posture. He was exactly what Taeyong always imagined his Prince Charming to be. Taeyong, wait, you are Dr. Choi, right? The cardiology resident? Minho smiles. Pleasantly surprised. Yeah, that's me. Must be a third year student, right? Taeyong has skipped it a bit. Yeah, I am Kim Taeyong. I have read your research on congenital heart defects. It's really Taeyong nodded eagerly, completely immersed in the conversation. A top choice for specialization. Your work on non-invasive procedure was fascinating. Maybe we'll be colleagues one day. Feel free to drop by the department if you ever want to chat about it. Taeyong's eyes lit up. Really? I would love that. Jungkook, who had been standing on the side, stares at the two of them, his jaw tightening. Jungkook, seriously? He watched Taeyong laugh softly at someone. Minho said, completely forgetting Jungkook was even there. Jungkook crossed his arm, his eyes narrowing as he observed how Taeyong's eyes practically sparkled in front of Minho. Jungkook, oh, so Mr. Cold, nerdy, and distant guy knows how to smile like that? Minho gently patted Taeyong's shoulder. I will see you around town. Yeah, definitely. As Minho walked away, Taeyong turned back, still dazzled. Wow, he is amazing. Jungkook scoffed loudly. Oh, he is amazing. What, because he is He wears a white coat and talks about art because you like the topic of art. Tong. Tong blinked, finally noticing Jungkook's expression. What's your problem? Jungkook. Jungkook leaned against the counter, glaring. Nothing. I just didn't know you had a thing for boring senior with shiny resume. It's because he and you are top doesn't mean you guys will shine out. Tong frowned. He is not boring. He is smart and kind, and he is actually doing something meaningful. Jungkook sort faltered. Alright, because studying with me wasn't meaningful enough, Tong tilted his head. Are you jealous? Jungkook scoffed, looking away. As if, why would I be jealous of some guy who probably spent all his time hugging textbook? Tong smirked slightly, crossing his arms. You sounded a little jealous to me. Jungkook leaned in just a little, and I was talking. Trust me, if I wanted your attention, I wouldn't let him talk to you. Tong played cock for a second. Boo! He quickly looked away, his cheek warming. Redness was all over his face. Whatever, let's just order. But as they waited for their drink, Jungkook couldn't stop glaring in the direction Minho had gone, his mind already working on how to wipe the stupid smile off Tong's face. Because if Tong wanted a Prince Charming, Jungkook was about to make damn sure he realized he didn't need one. Tong sat down on the small table near the window, still visibly dazed from his encounter with Dr. Minho. He sipped his coffee absent-mindedly, a soft smile tugging on the corner of his lips. Tong, he actually wants me to visit his department. Jungkook slammed the coffee cup on the table, a little harder than necessary, causing some of it to spill over the rim. You gonna keep daydreaming, or are you gonna drink your coffee? Tong blinked, snapping out of his thoughts. Oh, sorry. Jungkook leaned back in the chair, arm crossed, watching Tong with narrowed eyes. Let me guess, you are imagining your future wedding with Dr. Perfect now? Tong's cheeks flushed slightly. Don't be ridiculous. I was just thinking, he's really inspiring, that's all. Jungkook's cover. Inspiring? Right. I'm sure that's the only reason. You couldn't stop smiling like an idiot. Tong brows flew away, putting his cup down. Why do you even care? Jungkook leaned forward, a smirk tugging at his lips, but his eyes dark. I don't, but it's funny how you get all shy around him. Didn't know you had a thing for older guy. Tong's mouth opened, then closed, his face sitting up. That's not true, and Minho's son by name isn't that much older. Jungkook chuckled dryly, shaking his head. Whatever he said to sleep at night, Tong of it, turning his gaze toward the window, toward Jungkook painting stare. His reflection stares back at him, slightly flustered. The doorbell above the entrance jiggled again, and Tong's eyes glanced at the door. Dr. Minho walked in once more, chatting with his another friend. Tong's posture straightened unconsciously. Jungkook noticed it immediately. Jungkook, you have got to be kidding me? Before Tong could think twice, he raised his hand slightly, catching Minho's attention. Son by name? Minho smiled polite, but slightly surprised. Oh, Tong, didn't expect you to see you still here. Tong gave a soft laugh. Yeah, I thought I would relax for a bit. Minho took a step closer. Mind if I join for a moment? Before Tong could answer, Jungkook leaned forward, his voice low but laced with irritation. Jungkook, actually, we are in the middle of something. Minho glared at Jungkook, slightly amused. I didn't mean to interrupt. Tong eyes widened in embarrassment. No, it's fine. You can join us if you want. Jungkook jaw tightened, his grip on the coffee cup turning, his knuckles white. This is unbelievable. Minho chuckled. Maybe next time. Don't forget to visit the department, alright? Tong smiled brightly. I won't. As Venu walked away, Shankuk leaned in, dangerously close. Shankuk, seriously, Thong? Are you that desperate for attention? Thong. Thong turned to him, confused. What is your problem? You have been acting weird ever since I talked to him. Shankuk. Shankuk eyes darkened. My problem is that you are acting like some lovesick puppy over a guy who probably doesn't even remember your name. Thong's breath hissed at the harsh words, and for a moment silence sunk in between them. Shankuk realized that he might have gone too far, but didn't back down. Thong stood up, clapping his back. Thong, you know what? Maybe I should spend more time with people who actually support me. Jungkook. Jungkook shot up from his seat, eyes burning. Oh, like him? Yeah, go ahead. Let's see how long it takes for him to get bored of you. Thong froze, heart flashing in his eyes. Without another word, he turned it and stormed out, leaving Jungkook standing there, breathing heavily.